Hi, I'm Michael Lombardi, and I'm co-executive chef and partner of SRV Restaurant in Boston.
Hi, I'm Kevin O'Donnell, and I'm co-executive chef and partner of SRV in Boston.
And we're ready to roll out some pasta.
So we're just gonna take off the outside edge so it's squared up. And if we cut as thin as we could possibly cut, this is called tagliatelle. Ini meaning small. And you would use this like you would like an angel hair, like capellini. Something delicate, butter sauce, maybe truffles, something really light. So if we start with tagliatelle, and the next size up would be tagliatelle. So just making even cuts. And this you'll see all over Italy. It's a classic in Emilia-Romagna, in central Italy and up north with bolognese, but you can get it with mushrooms and all different vegetables and maybe with some seafood down in the south. So this is another classic shape.